Hey guys, Rich here, back from the dealership. You saw in the opening of the video there, I had the tires stacked up on the back of the bike. Probably not the safest thing in the world, but it's not that far to the dealership. I bought this bike from R&D Powersports, and when I picked it up, they wouldn't negotiate on price, but the guy did throw in labor for installing 2 new tires. I knew I'd be replacing out the stock tires. So I took it down there today, and they did a great job mounting them up. And this is definitely more of the IRC TR8s are definitely more of a dirt-oriented tire. So giving up some traction on the street, but they still felt honestly pretty good. And I ran these same tires on my WR for years. Went through a couple sets of them on that bike, and I really liked them. So I'll post another updated video after I get an opportunity to put more miles on them. But you know, initial impressions, they still felt pretty good on the street. No wobble. Everything was good. That's it for now.